All right, RCT. Let's see what we got.
Welcome to this ARA 7.
All right, like I said before, if you've heard me other videos, I like bigger radios, big, long, girthy radios. I don't like. I'm not a fan of the UV5R only because it's just such a tinier radio, and it just feels more like a toy. So this is why when the 5RM came out, especially with 10 watts, I decided to get this one. And then, of course, when the DM32 came out, I also got that later on. So I rock this one a little bit more than this one now, only because, like I said, this one feels a bit more beefy. It feels like a real radio, public safety radio versus these other smaller ham radios. But this battery, hopefully, if I do decide to travel with it, it's going to last me a little longer. I don't have to take the bigger chargers, if anything. The other one had the capability to charge here as well, which is nice. But this one seems like I'll be able to charge it maybe once for my trips and it'll last me throughout the time. And it does come with a USB-C. Same thing with the DM. This one has a USB-C charger, so it's kind of nice that these radios are coming out with these convenient batteries. But I figured an extended battery would be nice if I decide to be out and about on the trails for the day and I don't want to take more than one battery. These batteries do last for a good time, but they are 25. I think it's like 25 milliamps. So this will last you maybe a day on standby. If you're using it, it's going to deplete a little bit faster. So again, the extended battery, again, now it kind of feels like you have a really good radio in your hand. Let me get the other one so you can see the comparison. Stand by. All right, so you can see here, this is going to be one of the first few Baofengs I got maybe 15 years ago, maybe 10 years ago. I can't remember, 10 to 12, 15 years ago. This is going to be one of the first Baofengs that came out directly from China. And again, you can see I bought the extended battery versus the smaller one that kind of gave it the very small ham radio look. And again, this was supposed to last me a little bit longer, and it made the radio look a little bit bigger. But as you can see here, when the 5RM came out, that was definitely a go-to. And then, of course, the DM32 now is going to be one of my leading with the extended battery. So which one do you prefer? Are you still a UV5R? Are you a 5RM? Are you a DM32 or UV32 Baofenger? All right, we'll see you in the next one. Radio check over now.